Research is conducted with the aim of supplying dependable new knowledge. For biomedical and clinical research, there's the added prospect of contributing to human health. The results of research should be published openly, and the research data on which the results are based should be publicly available. Then, experimental findings can be checked and results replicated by others. This will promote justifiable trust in the conduct and reporting of research. To achieve this primary aim of supplying robust new knowledge, research must be well designed, properly conducted, and accurately reported. Unfortunately, a large fraction of the published literature falls short of the target. This is a worrying problem. To improve this serious deficiency, there are many initiatives from research funding agencies, journal publishers, and institutions which conduct research. They are designed to improve the quality and reproducibility of published research. Mindful of this problem, a group of concerned researchers at Neuroscience Research Australia have instigated a number of initiatives. The group decided to generate a tool that could assess the quality and reproducibility of research published by the Institute's scientists. Our quality output checklist and content assessment was designed to apply to a broad range of biomedical research pursuits. However, it can be applied to other disciplines as well. It rapidly became known by its acronym, QuoCCA, a small, furry Australian marsupial. The checklist has been published and is freely available along with written guidelines on how to fill it in for an individual publication. What does it consist of? The QuoCCA has just 11 simple questions. They evaluate 3 pillars of research. First, research transparency. Second, research design and analysis. And third, research reporting practices. For the first pillar, we ask about the use of pre-registration and then the public's access to the primary data and the code used for data analysis. For the second pillar, we ask about research ethics. We also ask how the size of the research samples was chosen and whether the analysis of the data was performed in a blinded way. For the third pillar, questions probe the use of formal reporting guidelines, the way data variability is presented in the publication, and whether any collected data were excluded. Then we ask about the use of null hypothesis significance testing, probability thresholds for statistical significance, and the way probability values are presented. A final question asks about spin. This is the practice of making unjustified claims that probability values greater than the chosen threshold signify important trends in the research results. Spin presents results in a more rosy but misleading light. This series of short videos aims to assist institutions and individual researchers that want to use the QuoCCA to identify areas of concern or ignorance. It aims then to educate researchers and ultimately to allow review of the effectiveness of educational or other interventions aimed at improving research quality. To access the QuoCCA form and instructional guide, and to read further about the QuoCCA and reporting practices, follow the links provided or visit Research Quality on the NeuRA website. We hope you benefit from this series of videos.